Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about simple and compound interest. Use simple interest to find the ending balance. If I was given this problem here, $43,800 at 4.8% for 2 years. All right? Well, I want to use my simple interest formula. Simple interest is my principal, $43,800, times my interest rate as a decimal, 0.048. Multiply that by the number of years, or timing years, which is 2. Okay? With that, we get a simple interest value of $4,204.80. Now I have to add that back to my principal to get the ending balance. My principal was $43,800 plus 4,204.80, excuse me, let's add a 0 there, 80 cents, don't forget that, and that's equal to an ending balance of $48,004.80. Quick recap, we're given $43,800 at 4.8% for 2 years, and we have to find the ending balance using